Okay, so not share it, I will share it. Okay, able to see, right, my screen? So, like you're seeing Shiva and Shravani, you're able to see, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Sridhar.
Yeah. So, Shiva, for here I'm explaining from the correlation, right? Same concept
Yeah.
from the in like web also. Okay.
Okay,
So
Sridhar.
means we are capturing from the response from the our request. So which response means this is the response I want to capture. So that is why this is the function. WebRec is the one of the correlation function to handle the dynamic value. So here we have the parameter name, nothing but which value you are doing. It's a country or what value you are ID or something, whatever maybe you are doing, you need to give from the this here. And after that, LB and RB and last. These are the arguments and semicolon also one of the thing. Okay, for here LB nothing but actually this is the we need to capture. Okay, so I want to capture the Sri Lanka is our dynamic value. So if it is a dynamic value, left text we can consider as a left boundary, right text we can consider as a right boundary. See, you can observe. So left text nothing but up to this is the left text and pause it as a LB equal. And right text nothing but only from this double column will be there. Can give from the RB is equal this. So you can observe here script parsing is failed. Means some syntax error from the your script. Because of that you got from the script parsing error. Why it is you got from the syntax error means so what is the coming from the response is the double colons is be there, right? This double colon, what is this double colon? Load runner will is unable to identify. So that is why where is the double colon? It is coming from the response. In that place, we need to give from the slash, black slash. So for example, this double colon, this one we are giving, that will be okay, fine. This is a syntax, that is correct. But LB is equal to what you are giving. In between, if it is a double colon will be there, we need to give from the black slash. This is the black slash. And again, country. In country, before also, by before we have the one more. And after that, here also we have one more. So LB is completed. Same way, RB also we can give here. Okay, RB we can give from the before this. That's it. But we have this is also will be there, right? We can give here also means no, because that is the syntax one. LB, RB in syntax. So if you observe now, script parsing is successful. Means we don't have from the any errors. Now after that, just you can run this. Means we are getting from the actually correct response or not you want means your script will be passed. Otherwise, here self your script will be fail. It is showing from that, okay, this country value you are unable to find. That is why your script will fail here only. Okay. So you can observe now you can go here and you can observe this is the country. So Sri Lanka you got. So this is the we can call it as a to handle the dynamic value point of we can use. Otherwise, we want to validation point of also we can use this. Okay. So this is the way we can do from the web service testing using from the our tool. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, Sridhar.
Okay, then good. Okay, now I will rename just I will give from the this is the REST API testing. Okay, REST API and what is this get airline details? Just get airline details API. Okay, get airline API. Just given from the script. Okay. Some special characters it will be not accept. We can give from the anything. Yeah, REST airline. Just I'm given a test airline. Okay. And after that, again, we can do from the new script, we can do. Okay. From the, again, I'm doing from the new script, add new script. Okay. And protocol, I'm selecting from the web services. And now we need to do from the SOAP also. SOAP I told as we need from the SOAP UI 2 also, which purpose means like for sample before doing from the testing you want to validate means there also we can do from the SOAP UI testing. That is the SOAP UI tool. We have SOAP UI. Okay, that will be we need to install. Okay, okay, and our script also how to we can do I will explain. So open from the web service testing. This is the now we can give name also reference rename and give it as a SOAP request. Okay, SOAP request. Now we want to do from the this is the SOAP one. So if you are do want to do from the REST API, any API, it is a get or post, we can do from the same way. That will be fine. Now if you want from the SOAP means go to the SOA tool. Click from the manage services. Okay. Here you need to click from the import button. And this is the WSDL file. Okay. This is the WSDL file. Like we need to get from the developer. If you want to do from the SOAP test, okay, SOAP request, then you need to ask from the WSDL file. You need to give from the WSDL file like this. What is the URL will be there after that question mark, and you need to give from the WSDL. And after that, just click from this. So this WSDL file is belongs to the calculator one. Means calculator means nothing but adding, division, multiplication. This will be there. So now just import. Okay, I will share this all URLs and everything. Okay, no worry. Chart window, I will put it. Okay, yeah, I will put it. Okay, now you can click from the import button. Just click from the import button. Then you can see here, once you can click the import, it is a calculator, is a one of the WSDL file. It is a imported, and we can see here, this is the service name calculator. And if you want operations, if you click operations, like what are the operations will be there? Add, division, multiplication, subtraction will be there. Okay. So means where WSDL will be successfully applied. So if you click apply and click on OK. Now SOA tool, like we are imported from the WSDL file. After that, again go to the SOA tool. So now click from the add service call. Okay. In that, see, you can observe already it is picked calculator. In that, which operation you are adding? You want to add addition. You can give from the addition. And after that, you need to select from the, you want from the unit, like a, like you want from the add means we need from the two values, A and B, right? So that is why you need to give from the including argument. Otherwise, you want value, you can give from the, I giving from the A value 10. And again, like click this and give from the B value some 20. And you want to results, you want to see the results as a save parameter name, param add results. Okay, yourself you can give anything. Add results also you can give. Okay, add results. Then after that, we are given from the inputs, and where you want to save you are given. Just click on OK. Then our SOAP request will be like script will be developed. See. This is the web service call, and this is the we are doing from the add, and method is the calculator, and this is the service some soap URL, and you can observe this is the body, nothing but so like request into A B, and where you are saving results, add results. Okay. Okay, some things is it is lost. Same again, we need to go do the same way. Like you can give from the add, and end transaction also I'm giving. Add. Okay. So after that, just will execute. Just execute. Okay. Some errors we got. Script is passed, but we got errors. What are those errors? Okay, fail to end transaction by name. Please check the start transaction. Miss start and end transaction will be some name will be different. Oh, here is given from the capital. Here is given small. Okay. If you give like this, you will get from the that kind of error. Script is passed, but we got error. So again, we can execute. So every time why we are giving start transaction and transaction means our job should be that is only. What is the response time is happening from the this API call. So now we can observe our script is passed. Now if you go to the output window, okay, this is the SOAP request. Okay, now we can observe add once like we need to give from the runtime settings for this also. Okay, logs. We should be enable the logs. Okay. Now I select from the web services. That is why only web service script only it will run. Just added in the within the only added just for understand. Okay, now you can observe our response. This is the add response. Okay, actually results you got from the 30. See, you can observe this is the XML format within the tags. See, this is the XML tag. And after that, you can observe finally we are given from the add results 30. And we can see this in snapshot view also we can see in the replay it will showing from the this is the output replay, and recording will be this is the replay. So what is this? Okay, 1 minute. Okay, here it's not coming correct. Yeah, now we got replay. Yeah. See now, sir, 30 is the response you got. Okay, like this we can do from the if it is the. So now I done from the addition, right? Same way if you want to means from the some other also, again go to the SY tool and add service call and select from the method division or multiplication or subtraction. Okay, multiplication. And again you need to give from the inputs. Select here. If you don't give also, no problem. After that also we can give. Now what we are doing? Simple one we can do. Okay. Do. And I want the results also. I want to show some parameter. Click on this. So nowadays is the web service testing is a very important because like developer will be not doing from the entire code that kind of things. So simply they are developing from the APS and they are doing from the testing point of view and their okay application development of also they are maximum using from the API testing. So that is why you should learn very well from the API testing. So functional testing means just they will do from the like this only. For here only they will check. Okay, we are getting 200 or not. Okay, what is the 400 if you got error and 500. So they will check from the multiple waves like valid data, invalid data. They will check. But we need from the only positive like 200 data. We need from the 200 only. So that is the difference from the functional to our performance. So like this, we want to add from all this. And again, you can give from the start transaction, give it as a multi, multiplication, and give from the end transaction also. Same name you can give. Otherwise, you will get from the error. Okay, multiplication. And after that, just execute. See, you got response 46, 23 into 46. Okay, so like that we can do, and you can observe also response times. So addition is the this much taking, multiplication is the 308 milliseconds happening from this just single user point of view. So what are the developed now, right? This script you can keep in the your controller. How they we are tested, like how many users we are tested, and what kind of testing we are done, load test, spike, stress. Same way we can do from the this API testing also. Same way, nothing but mainly we are doing from the scripting here, which purpose means we can do from the different kind of testings. Okay. And for here, after that, but very important things should be like this data. Okay. So we can do from the parameterization also we can do. So if you click here, click from the right button, replace with parameter, create new parameter, and give it as a okay parameter name, some a value. Value a, sorry, a value, because of a value a is better, value a. And after that go to the properties, just click from the create table and click on OK. And if you want to select by name means value a. Okay. And if you want to add data, click on the edit with notepad, and what is the data you want, you can add from the here 20, 30, 40. Okay. And after that save this notepad. Let's save this. See, the data is created here. Okay. My name is gone. Okay. And close this and click on OK. And now see, it is a value A, it is created. Same way, value B also we need to do from the parameters. Replace with parameter, create new parameter, and give from the parameter name value B. Okay. Create table and click on OK. Edit with notepad and give from the 1, 3, 4. Okay. And control S, save, and the data is there, and plus. And click on OK. And no. So now same way we can do from the here also. So for example, same name, right? We can replace also, we can do here. Replace with parameter value A. Okay. And no. And again, I want to replace B value also. Replace parameter and B. Then so this data why we are giving means multiple times you are executing. For example, if you go runtime settings, web service, web service to this one, yeah. In the run logic, you can give from the 3 means it will execute from the 3, but different data. What is the data you are provided? That data it will be picked and it will execute from the 3 times. That is the main purpose we are doing from the, okay. See, you can observe three times it is a happen, add and addition. So if you want to see the results also, we can see this, see ending iteration 3 means third iteration. And if you want to see from the above, see starting iteration 3, ending iteration 2. So means if you observe values, this is the third iteration, value A will be 3003, it will pick. Okay. And second iteration we can observe, see 21. So means every time is a different data is picking. Okay. And first time, so 23 into 2. So like that we can do from the correlation, parameterization, and as well as we are doing from the data. So for here, so values, right? That is why we are giving from the any value is fine. Sometimes we need from the some data will be need. If you give from the any data like your name or anything, if you give, it will work is fine. But sometimes some mandatory data will be need. So for example, banking application, it will be their account number, card number will be there. If you give from the yourself 1 2 3 4 5 6 means it will not valid one. Then what we need? We need from the valid data. So that valid data we need to ask from the our like database team, our developer team, we need to ask from and take the data and put it in the notepad. So in this web service testing SOAP request, so major challenge will be data. So that data, how we'll get, where we can get. So if it's possible, for example, we have the two calls will be there. One is creating from the some account number. How it will create means we are creating from the onboarding, nothing but creating from the account, new account. If you create a new account, what will happen? Account number will be generated. What is the account number will be generated? That you can do in the correlation here. And the second script is the you need from the that data as the account number. You can just pass as a parameter value account number. Then first it is the how many times you are executing. It will create the account and it will create the account number. That is the we are using from the second script. So in this way also ourselves we can prepare the data. If not, we don't have from the like chance, then we need to ask from the teams and we'll get the data. Okay, this is the way we can do from the web service and SOAP request. So like you have any doubts, you can ask me. Meanwhile, what I can do means just I will share these details. Okay, like SOAP request along with this all I will share. Okay, and WSDL file. Okay. Okay, please keep it. What happens? Not copied. Yeah, this is the visual file and URL also I will share you. A direct URL I will share you. Then you will directly get from the API list. Ravani, Shiva, do you have any doubts regarding this?
No, sir.
No,
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 right?
Shiva.
No, right?
Yeah.
You are good, right?
No, no, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the one of the protocol. how we are doing from the parameterization and how we are doing from the correlation issue, right? So maximum we are finished from the scripting part and all execution. From Shiva, I will explain for you. Okay, no worry. But tomorrow or these 2 days, I will take from the JMeter session. So just you can download from the latest JMeter. Okay, so just you can go to the Google and just type from the Apache JMeter and you can download. That is the free tool. You can download it and keep it from the in your system. How to we can install? I will explain for that. Along with this, in your system, you should be check from the if it is a Java will be there, not there. Because if we can do from the JMeter means we need must Java. See if it's just click from the command prompt and just click from the Java. It will be there. You will get from the some Java, all the things will be, it will be there. If it is not there, you will get from the command will be mismatch or wrong, you will get. So that is why if it is not there, again go to the Google and install Java. You can type it from the Java download and download that and click on next. You can download the Java. Okay. So that part also I will explain. So if it's possible, you guys can do for that. Okay. You guys will be do that and ready with the things and we'll do from the these 2 days also we'll finish from the JMeter also is possible. Okay, based on from the my work. Okay, because weekend also I have support. Okay, but if there is any chance for me, definitely I will take from the classes and I will close. Okay, maximum. Okay, yeah,
Okay, sure.
yeah. Thank you for joining, and we'll catch from tomorrow and we'll continue classes. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, sir.
Sharon. Thank you, team.
Okay.